Today I'm going to be repairing this stubby gun. As you can see, it's stiff. Yours might be sticking all the way or not moving at all. So we're going to start by disassembling it using a Phillips screwdriver. Once disassembled, make sure you don't lose the screws, and you can pull the mechanism out of the casing. As you can see, there's nothing obviously blocking the trigger. It just seems to be a bit stiff. You can see there's a bit of a rust on the pin where the yellow trigger connects. So we're going to have to do something about that. We're going to start by undoing the back of the housing. This is an 18mm bolt. Once it's open, you can see there's a ball that pops out. Just make sure that's not broken or anything. You can see the pin right there in the middle. Now I'm just inspecting the O-ring around the bolt and then also the spring. Here I'm putting everything back together, but you don't need to do this just yet because we need to put some grease inside the pin. Here's the view from inside again. I'm going to dislodge the pin using a screwdriver, and then we're going to need to put some grease in. So I'm just using WD-40, but silicone grease is going to work better than this. First I put some on the outside, those rusty pins, and then I'm going to put some on the inside of the actual mechanism. Just keep pressing it to loosen it up and let the grease work its way in. Greasing this pin is actually easier if you've got the back open, so I did open it back up and put something from the inside as well. Just keep pressing it to work the grease in. Now we can test it, and the trigger looks to be functioning as normal. So all we've got to do is put the gun back together.